Hey y'all, welcome back to Will It Blend. This is Will. I have another box of goodies to open for y'all. This is a brand that I found on the TikTok shop, and I'm so glad that I did. They have this amazing live every Tuesday and Thursday, and it starts at 11 a.m. Central Time, so it starts at like 11 a.m. Minnesota time. Definitely check them out. Their host and their substitute hosts are both fantastic, so you'll know no matter who hosts, you're gonna have a great time. But I ordered some of their stuff. This is how the package looks. It's beautiful. It's fantastic. I'm not paid by them yet. Hopefully I will soon. But let's check it out. I mean, y'all, this is just gorgeous. Oh, wow. So y'all know I'm on my baby drag queen journey. And so these lashes are the lashes that I bought from them. They are whimsical silk lashes, airy and wispy. Synthetic fibers blend seamlessly with natural lashes to add subtle length and volume for a light, playful look. Easy to apply, lightweight, up to 25 wears. So I needed to add these to my cart in order to get free shipping. These are not going to be great for drag, like just being honest. They're not great for drag. However, if I stack them together or if I add them onto another pair that I've got going, I think they're going to be fantastic to add. I don't think that they're quite heavy enough for drag though. If I wore lashes for like a boy beat, I think they'd be fantastic. They really feel nice, but I don't think they're going to work for what I use lashes for, but I may gift them. That would be a great gift. Like the seal the sealed ones, not the ones that I just put my fingers all over, even though my hands are clean. Next, we're gonna try out. Oh yes, yes, honey, yes. Look at this palette. The Sigma Sculpt Highlight and Contour Palette. Y'all. And the names are giving. The names are giving. So we've got Shine On here, Poppin', 24 Karat here, and then we've got Hollow here, Throw Shade, and Fakin' It. Y'all, these are going to be so pretty. Please tell me those names aren't like my names. So pretty. I cannot wait. I think these are versatile enough to be both boy beat and drag. Oh, I can't wait. I cannot wait for that. That's going to be just flawless. Yo, I'm so excited for these brushes. On the live today, they literally showed them with one of these brushes frozen in a cup of water, and they were tugging on the brush, trying to pull it out, showing that they can't, like, you cannot. These are not glued in, they're weaved into the brush. So you cannot pull them out. It's how like woven in they are into the brush and with these fibers. So, oh my gosh. Spotlight Duster F37. I'm going to test these out like ASAP because I now regret not picking up the pack of brushes on the live today. But you know, these brushes are the ones that I was going to try out. And then if they were how good they say they are, I'm going to get more. But they feel really nice and light in your hand, but heavy at the end. I like a brush that like feels light, but like balanced. And this does so far. It feels balanced. And then this is your small contour, and that's going to be great for drag. I tend to contour small, and then go bigger, if that makes sense. So super excited. Now, the piece de la resistance, what started the whole thing are the two lipstick shades. Now, one of the things that really impresses me about Sigma is their patents. It's what really makes me honestly want to work with them. Like their brushes are patent protected. Their lipstick, their lipstick shape is patented. They have this really, oh my God. This is, sorry, this is the first time I've seen the tubes. I've seen them on lives, but they've got this tear shaped tube that's apparently protected by a patent. So nobody else can even do this. You can't dupe this. And it's supposed to help keep it pointed forever, which I think is fantastic. So this is the new mod color. Oh my God. This is their lipstick color new mod. Oh my Lord. Y'all, that is like, that is boy beat perfect. And I have to say, this is the one that I have been geeking out about. It's called peach tea, and I coined a new term today on the live. I was totally team peach tea, and so I was on peach team, or I was on the peach team, and the live host thought it was a typo, and I'm like, no, I'm on the peach team. Like I was so like, no, I did it on purpose. Hashtag not a typo. But she thought it was a typo. But I forgave Steph because their hosts are seriously fantastic. Both Jess and Steph are just hilarious. I have to put it on. I have to put this on. I have to put it on. How can you not? I'm sorry, I didn't even show you. Look, so this is the mod. This is peach tea. So peach tea is on top, mod's on bottom. Peach tea, I have to put it on. I have to. It's nice and matte, which is something that I look for in my boy beats. Oh, it's just effortlessly. To me, it's a very nice nude. What do y'all think? I don't normally like to get this close to the camera, but I feel like it's giving. And I don't have any other makeup on. I took everything else off already. But oh my gosh, it's giving. And I almost feel like you could take the new mod and still in a boy beat, just do a little bit of the new mod right here in the center. To do that nice dual coated look. So a little bit of definite. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. They have no right to be this beautiful. I'll be a Sigma customer forever. This is now a staple. Peach tea. Sigma. Look. Sigma creator, Sigma founder, Sigma scientists. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you ever, like, I would love to, but oh my gosh, this is amazing. Please don't ever stop making this. I would cry. Yeah. So wow, this is fantastic. Y'all, please go check out Sigma Beauty. Go check them out. They are fantastic. I can't wait to try their eyelashes now. I can't wait to try the brushes. This lipstick, they talk about it a lot on the lives, but oh my goodness. This is beautiful, y'all, and it's light. It's like I'm wearing nothing. And I put a lot on. I could go on for hours about this. I can't wait to work it into a makeup. I can't wait to work it into a look because it honestly feels like nothing's on. I'm going to be I need to end this video now or else I'm just going to stare at myself forever in this mirror. So thank you all so much for joining me. Sigma Beauty, thank you so much for these wonderful products, even though, I mean, I did purchase them, but you guys made them. And thank you so much for making them. Thank you so much. And I hope that if you all are looking for a makeup product, definitely check out Sigma Beauty in the TikTok shops. Thanks.